In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cursor on your Wix website. With just a few simple steps, you can enhance your site's interactivity and give it a personal touch. Let's get started by first heading to Wix.com. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Having your credentials handy will save you some time here. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. On this page, you can see a list of all your sites if you have more than one. Look for the Edit Site option for the website where you want to customize the cursor and click on it. This will open the Wix editor where you can make all sorts of changes to your site. In the Wix editor, you'll want to find the search bar. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. In this search bar, type in the keyword cursor. You're looking for cursor options that Wix provides to enhance or customize the design of your site. Once the search results come up, look for something called Mega Animated Cursor Effects. Clicking on this will allow you to explore different cursor designs that can add a dynamic touch to your site. After selecting the option that suits your style, click Add to Site. This action will integrate the animated cursor features into your website, ready for you to further personalize. Now, a prompt will appear with the option to agree and add. You'll need to confirm your choice by clicking this button, which grants the necessary permissions for the cursor effects to be implemented on your Wix site. After agreeing, the cursor effects will be successfully added to your website. For those of you looking to add a personal touch, Wix also allows you to upload your own customized cursor. This option is great if you have a particular image or design in mind that aligns with your brand or vision. Uploading your own cursor can truly set your site apart and make it a more unique experience for visitors. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to change and personalize the cursor on your Wix website. This simple customization can make your site more engaging and enjoyable for your audience. If you found these instructions helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.